Hi, my beautiful people. I want to teach you people how to write capital letter C and D. Now, if you have kids, small kids that are still learning on how to write, just kindly watch this video till the end. Now, kids are too small. So as you are teaching them, one, you need to have patience. Some parents used to beat their children as they'll be directing them how to write. They will beating them blue and black. No, it is not advisable. If you are the type that normally beat your kids while teaching them how to write, stop it, is not good. But this my video. It will help you to teach your children or your child how to write letters. Go to my channel, you will see the other videos, how to write capital letter A and capital letter B. Now, I'm trying to teach you on how to write capital letter C and D. Now, let's go. When you want to write C, some children, if they want to write C, they will turn it to the other side. They will turn it back. If you're teaching them how to write capital letter C, what you be telling them? Oh, baby, when you put your hands on the book like this, then you curve it front, you curve capital letter C. Press it again, you curve it front, not back, front, front, front. You ask them or you hold them, tell like curve. You curve it front, you curve, you curve. Then when you want to teach them how to write capital letter D, what are you going to tell them? Tell them, baby, or you write one. You write one. Ask the child to put his or pencil up. Then ask the child to curve it back. Ask the baby to write one. When the baby writes one, then ask baby to curve it back. Curve capital letter D. You write one. Put your pencil up, you curve it back. I hope you can see it, and I hope the teaching is not all that hard. With this process, you'll be able to teach your child, your kid, how to write capital letter C and capital letter D. Don't be harsh on them as you are teaching them because they are kids. Please, if you like this, my teaching, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and comments. So this is all about how to write capital letter C and D. See you next time. Bye. Love you guys.